everyone, welcome back. This is how I created some simple enchanted rose centerpieces. You'll need your dome and some foam circles, which you're gonna color in gold. You'll need to do it several times so you can get that deep gold. Then you're gonna go ahead and make a hole off the center for the little light. It's completely optional, you don't have to, but it gives it a really nice touch. After you do that, you'll need your roses. I found mine at the Dollar Tree, and you can glue these right in the center and use a petal to cover that hole where the light is. Make sure you kind of dwindle it, make it look like a floating rose. I also use these little gems, which are also at the 99-cent store, to give the glass dome a nicer look. It looks really cute. And it's done. Just that simple. And it gives it a great look. If you have any tips or any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.